Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add this glow behind a person on CapCut PC. So add in your video and copy and paste it, and then on the second video go to cutout and select auto cutout. On the first video though, you're going to basically select effects and you're going to find the edge glow option. And you're going to add that to the first video or photo. I'm using a photo for this example, but you can use a video as well. You're also going to add the angel effect, but just a little bit. This is a 1x1 photo, sorry. I'm just going to add that at the top. I'm going to add it back, I know it's not perfect because of her hair like right here, but it works best with like I guess like photos or videos that aren't like this. But as you can see, the glow is behind the person. You can also go to media and add in a color that you want on top as well to change the color of the glow. I'm not sure how well this will show up, but we can try. Blend mode, overlay, and as you can see, the glow is now pink. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.